Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is an auto face tracking camera mount component here, and we're going to show you this and try this out. And I have a little tripod mount here, so we're going to be able to put that on there. And so let's see all the different pieces and parts here. I'm just going to open up the pieces in it here. Not even sure what this is. This one here looks like a little light or something. Let's see, we have a charging cable. Looks like it's USB to USB-C. We have a manual. And this is the P02 is the item number. Let me open this up. Is this it, or are we just going to see this in Chinese? Nope, there it is. So we have our manual in English here. So if you need it, you could probably pause and zoom in. But this is what I will use over here to try to set this up. And then we have, looks like the device is going to be here. Okay, so it looks like this is it here, and it comes with a little phone mount there to put your phone on, so that's cool. And I guess it'll be maybe this way it'll do, if it's facing that way. I don't know, we'll figure it out here. Oh, that's where it screws on, so we'll figure that part out. I can figure that part out right away. So there it is on there. So there we go. There, halfway there. Okay, and what else does it come with in here? It's got another one of these, so it's got two of these. We'll see what these are. What is this? Ah, a little light. Look at that. It changes the colors, so you can have different color lights. That's what these are, lights. So these are going to probably attach on there somewhere. We'll figure that out here in a minute. And what else is in here? Ah, and then here would be a base if we wanted to just put it on the counter. I put it on a tripod, but I guess we could just put it on a counter with this. So there, that's good. Cool items on it here. So let's see, so how do we connect this up? So the first time connection, we will turn on the remote control and the light flashes to enter pairing. So we're gonna have to pair this. So this is it here. Oh, probably turn it to on. So there it's on. And then I will go into my Bluetooth settings, I'm sure. And it is called Selfie. And I can say pair. So now it is paired. Yes, and if I push a button, it does the up and down arrow, you know, like the up volume, so it'll take a picture, like, you know, like when you're in a camera, and then you push the button, it takes it as a picture. Okay, so that part's, we got that connected. And then the button, rotate button, power on, off, and gesture. Okay, so we have other buttons on here. We have the power button here. So it looks like the power is on. Oh, now it's rotating. Oh, look at that. It's following me. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. So we will put this on here and put it on selfie mode here. And I will, oh, I guess it's gonna follow me wherever I am. So let's see, so if I am here, if you can see on what it's doing, let me move it closer here. There, can you see now what it's doing? It's following me if I move here and here. So then I could be doing whatever, and it's gonna follow me. How cool is that? This is gonna be great. So I'm gonna put this on my tripod here, and it's gonna be following me no matter what I do on my videos. It's just gonna be following me. How cool, that's super sweet. Oh my God, this is the greatest thing ever. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up, but you'll be able to see how it works, but just look at this, looking at that, how you saw how it went back and forth. Actually, let me see if I take a video, and I will do it right now. So now it's in video mode, and I didn't have to set up any software on my camera to make this work. It just did it because it has its own camera in there, which is nice because then you can just hook it up to anything. So as you move around, it'll just be following you around. So now if I stop this, and then we look at the video here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So there is the video. Oh, right there, you guys can see, it's totally following. Oop, let me open it up. Ah, it's still following me. But you can see it follows me as it went there. See, isn't that sweet? It just followed me around. So definitely pick up one of these things here. This is the coolest thing ever. Thumbs up for sure.